You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A name pronunciation, character name from the play by William Shakespeare, Othello. For more names from Shakespeare, make sure to stay tuned. Loads to learn here. Brabantio, okay, not Brabantio or Brabantio. I guess in American English it'd be said more as Brabantio. Brabantio, British English, Brabantio. Brabantio. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.